Baby. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Are you happy, boy? Baby food today have cucumber, corn, carrot. So fresh. Now baby destroy flower. Baby like this plant. Baby like it. Pink color. Ọt môi con. Baby lay nha con. Baby play. Bye. Baby. Baby. Hello. Hello, baby. You are so strong. You can breathe. Take it from me, baby. Take it. Take it. Baby, do you want to eat, baby? Baby boy, come on. Baby, come on. Hello, baby. Do you want to eat corn, baby? Come on. Corn. Are you full? Do you want to eat more? Now you're hungry. Because you play too much. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello, baby. After play, baby feel hungry. It's cold now. You're so cool, boy. You know. Getting more. You want mommy touch you like this? You like mommy touching you like this or scratching you like this? You feel good, right? Baby. Baby. After play now, baby feels so hungry. So many fruit and vegetable, but baby choose this one. Rambutan. Okay. Choose rambutan. Baby love rambutan so much. It's so sweet. Baby, you like it? No, baby like it so much. So sweet. Tastes so good. It's so tasty. Baby love fruit so much. A kind of sweet or sour fruit, baby like also, like so much. Bibi? Bibi? You like this, okay?